Coaches, creators, and course sellers, steal this 19-year-old's 150k a month funnel. I'll map it out so you can just copy one piece today. Before we dive deep into this breakdown, I'm going to showcase a few case studies real quick. So Zidane Mutlov, we managed to take him from 20k subscribers to over 100k so far. Everybody's trying to steal his style. It's not replicable, trust me. It's the best in the business. Jay Waller, we managed to gain him over 250 cash collected directly from our content and over 100k followers. Mike Dean, we managed to take him from 140k subscribers to over 500,000 in less than 6 months. Plenty more case studies here, but I'm not going to bore you to death with these. As we get to the top of his funnel here, he uses Instagram Reels. These pull in a massive wide audience and get more eyes on the prize, which is his brand. He has 2 pillars mainly for this. He uses lifestyle to attract the right people, and he also showcases what's possible if you work with him. And he also uses lessons to position himself as the solution to your problems. This is crucial. They pull in a massive wide audience, but they do not do any of the heavy lifting. He does that when he pushes into his stories. So on his stories, he has 4 buckets. He has client results, and he has personal life, his own results, and breaking limiting beliefs. So client results, again, this just showcases expertise, knowledge, and that he can actually get you to where you want to be from A to B. And then he has personal life as well. This showcases that he's a real human being. He's transparent, he's real. Most likely you're kind of similar to him in some ways, or who he was a couple of years ago. And it's very relatable. His own results, this just showcases massive authority that he walks the walk, he talks the talk. He doesn't just teach you how to do it, but he actually has done it himself. And then there's also breaking limiting beliefs. This is crucial, and he literally breaks down that you can do it as well if you follow exactly what he says. When it comes to his case studies, stories on here, he doesn't just give you a case study like, oh, I helped this guy do this. He actually tells you how to fix the problem as well. So you charge higher prices, sell the outcome, not the process. He gives you tips. He doesn't just give you, oh, I made my client 8.4k. I feel like this is really cool. It's a cool way to do it. Then he also uses on his stories, he literally asks his audience, this is groundbreaking, I know, but he literally asks his audience, are you struggling with this, or this? So are you struggling to book calls, generate leads? And usually when you click one of these, he's going to be straight in your DMs. He's going to try and help you solve his problems. He's going to dig deep into the pain, and he's going to try and get you on a sales call. These are amazing, and most people just don't do this, but it's definitely a way to get more, warm leads who actually need your help. Then he showcases massive authority on here. Like this month he's spending 70k on mentorships, showcasing that he's investing into himself to make himself better, which, is going to make his his consulting program way better. Showcases his short form on there as well, like his lifestyle reels, where showcasing what it's like, to be living this life and to be making this kind of money, which, attracts more people. Then we get to the middle funnel here, which is YouTube. This builds up so much trust, and the videos on here are literally just sales assets. Every single Miro solution based video he posts is a sales asset. Every single lifestyle vlog video he posts is to bring in a massive wide audience. Every single client interview he posts, these directly attribute to more sales. The more of those he posts, the more money he's going to make. I do think he's overdoing it with the vlogs though. He posts quite a lot of these, and I think they're great for building your brand, but I don't think they're great for making sales at all. I would literally just be posting more solution-based educational videos, client interviews, and even a free course video. I feel like these are good. They bring in a load of views, but they don't bring in qualified people that are actually going to buy from you. They're more like vanity metrics. One of our clients pulls in hundreds of thousands of views from these, but he doesn't really get many sales. And also they take so long to produce. It's just not worth it. I don't think the return on investment is great for these, considering you have to walk around, film yourself for hours every single day when you do these. So yeah, definitely would optimize posting more solution-based videos just like the ones you're doing here. These are so much better. They're so easy to make, and the return on investment on these is way better. These case study breakdowns here are amazing, especially if the prospect you're seeing actually watches the video and it resonates with them. This could actually land you a client straight away, a huge client, as well as get people into your consulting group. So These are perfect. They showcase a lot of authority, a lot of expertise. Client interviews. The more of these you got, the more money you're going to make. Because if someone watches this and they're in the exact same situation as the client you've just interviewed, they're going to be like, wow, I'm in the exact same situation as them, and you've just helped them go from 0 to 54K a month in 30 days. I'm going to book a call. I'm going to pay whatever you want me to pay. This is going to be the easiest sale ever. So yeah, the more of these you got, the more money you're going to make. And as we get to the bottom funnel here, you're going to have the landing page VSL book a call. So in the YouTube description, you're going to have one link only. You don't want to have like 3 or 4 links in here. It's just going to confuse people and they're just not going to click on anything. So one link is awesome. You click the link, it's going to take you to a video sales letter. It's going to have who it's for, so coaches and consultants. It's going to have the offer here in the headline. This is essentially the training video. It's just a sales letter. So you watch this, you're going to be tempted to book a call to see if he can actually help you. And if you're not sure, if you're ready to book a call, he's going to have his case studies, all down the bottom of the page here. You're going to see all over 100 people he's helped. And you're going to be like, oh shit, he's helped out so many people. This guy can help me too. And if you're not sure still, he's going to have his YouTube client interviews. Like I said, these are the heavy hitters. The more of these you've posted on your channel, the more money you're going to make. Yeah, this 19-year-old is absolutely insane. His name's Sui Go, and I apologize if I just butchered your name, mate, but 151K a month at the age of 19 is no joke. That's elite level. So hopefully you guys can steal at least one piece of value from this video, which you can plug straight into your business. But anyway, if you guys want your YouTube channels done for you, we do the ideation, scripting, editing, thumbnails, SEO, posting, the whole thing done for you. I'm going to leave a link down below to book a call. Absolutely no worries if not. And I hope you guys keep crushing it.